Hello. Hello. Let's give her a big hand. Can you say hello, la? Hello, la. Say hi. 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 Isn't that irritating? Another free bird. Can you do a rooster? Good job. Can you do a chicken? There you go. Can you do a kitty cat? No. Okay. She can do it. She doesn't like cats. Come on, do the kitty cat. No. Yes. No. Don't you guys want to hear it?
Yeah.
No. No. Yeah, I thought so. How about this? How about if I call the kitty and you be a little kitty? Ready? Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hello. 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 There you go. Let's give her a little bit. Would you like to hear her sing?
Yes.
We'll do a little scale. Can you go la 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 la? La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. Funny. La 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 la. La 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 la. All right. Very weird. She's got one more for you. This is her impression of a big, ferocious guard dog. Let's give her a big hand. Good job. He did a nice job for us, too. His name is Billy. He's a double yellow-headed Amazon, and when you cruise around the corner into the backyard, you'll see we have another couple of double yellow-headed Amazon parrots. They're older. They've been with me for years and years. They used to be my mom's and my aunt's. Billy is a pretty good talking bird, and we're going to see if we can't work with him on learning a routine. So I bring him out to start the show, and what was cool is if I brought him out and said, Billy, can you greet the audience? And then that's his cue to go, hello, baby, how are you today? So that's what we're working on. So if I wasn't explaining all that, I would just bring him out and go, Billy, would you like to greet the audience? Hello? Would you like to greet the audience? Hello, baby. Good. How are you today? Let's give him a big hand, just like that. So he's just learning. He's learning how to do all this stuff for us. He'll say three things that are just cute. They're just silly. He'll say, I want breakfast. I want coffee, don't spill it, and I want attention. So we're going to try those. Ready? I want breakfast. That was breakfast. He's a little mumbly, but not too bad. How about coffee, don't spill it? Ready? I want breakfast. No, breakfast we did. Ready? I want coffee, don't spill it. That's a good boy. He actually can speak a lot more clearly, as I'm not really good at making sure he speaks really clearly, but I'm just glad that he's kind of doing everything right when I ask. So we'll work on being clear later. Now we want one more. We want I want attention. Ready? I want breakfast. No, breakfast we did. I want breakfast. No, breakfast. Oh, thank you. That's my Achilles heel. No matter what I'm asking him for, if he'll say you're beautiful, I give him a treat, man. He's only 25, he'll live to be 80. Who doesn't want to hear that the rest of their life, right?
Yeah.
I don't care if I have to pay for it.
Yeah.
It's just a sunflower seed. We're going to do attention. Attention. I want attention. Let's give him a big hand. I like the way he says that word, too. It's really clear.
Yeah.
He'll say, you're such a good girl. So what I'd like to do for a cue in the show would be to go, Billy, you're such a nice guy. And that nice guy is the cue for him to go, you're such a good girl. So Billy, you're such a, no, not yet, let me go first. Billy, you're such a, okay, no, wait, I'll do mine. Billy, you're such, no, not yet. Billy, you're such a, not yet. You're such a, stop it. Billy, you're such a good guy. You're a fan? No. I know, you're very cute. Billy, you're such a nice guy. You're such a good girl. There we go, we gotta work on it. I keep thinking you're having strawberry margaritas. And I remembered, it's like, boy, they should be laughing a lot harder at the show.
Yeah.
You don't have the alcohol license, sorry about that. We're all okay with that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, even if we had a license, I don't think we'd have alcohol with animals. It's just not a good mix. Okay, so he says you're beautiful, and the cue for that is I touch my hair or my hat. I'll go, oh, look, I have a new hat. What do you think? And he'll go, you're beautiful. So Billy, I have a new hat. There you go. So you kind of get the idea of how you work that into a show, which is pretty fun. He will sing. He can sing Rockabye Baby all the way through. It's the it's the coolest thing, but he won't do it all the way through in front of us. He does it all the way through. I'm telling you, I'll be in there folding laundry, and I'll hear him do exactly this. He'll go, he'll go, you want a Rockabye Baby? Come on, come on. You want a Rockabye Baby? Then he will sing it from start to finish. And then afterwards he'll go, la, la, la. Okay, but he's doing all that for a reason. That seems to be, because we love singing parrots, that's what gets people to come over. So if I'm in the garage and I'm folding laundry, I'm a sucker for that. I'll come over. So in his mind, singing a whole song is what you do to get people to come to you. Well, I'm already here. So he's like, eh. So he'll do a little bit of it. I'm trying to transfer it from using it to get me to come over, just using it to get a big treat. Ready? You want to rock? Hello. You want to rock? Okay, we did that. You want to Rockabye Baby? That's the one we're going to do. You want to rock? No. You want to Rockabye Baby? Let's try. Phil, do you want to Rockabye? What? Hold the phone. Ready? You're so cute. Oh, careful, that's my hat. It's new. Thank you. Bill, do you want to Rockabye Baby? Good. So that's what I wanted to say, and then we'll work on singing a little bit. Usually in the afternoon show, he's more impatient because he's been thinking about being out here and being in the show, so he kind of cuts to it quicker. Billy, do you want to Rockabye? Do you want to Rockabye Baby? Let's try. You want to Rockabye Baby? Okay, here we go. Thank you. Thank you. Rockabye Baby. Good. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the cradle will fall, and will, you can do it, and down will Rockabye Baby. Let's give him a hand. Man, that would give your kids nightmares. But he did a really good job. I end him on that, and I give him lots and lots of treats for it. And hopefully that will make the difference. But I will tell you the truth, of all the things I've ever taught birds to do, talking on cue is the hardest because it's so emotionally based, and I can't physically help him do it. He's either going to do it or he's not. You did a good job, though. Let's give him a big hand. He's a little sweetheart.